just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick, short and sweet Target haul. You guys love Target.
I love Target.
And so what better video to do than this? I ordered a few things I need to stock up on, some makeup, beauty items, personal care, all that stuff, but then, you know, splurged and got a few, you know, fun little things that I saw on the website when I was purchasing all these other necessity kind of items. So figured that would be perfect to share with you guys. Some of these things are great for the summer, and since we are kind of like midsummer sort of now, figured what time than now to do like a summery kind of Target haul. So let me know what you guys think down below. If I can find anything still on the website by the time this video goes up, I will link it down below so that way you can check out some of these, you know, fun little items as well. So without further ado, I'm going to stop babbling and we're going to look at the stuff. So first we have the smaller package. I actually have to, I haven't opened any of these yet. This is like truly like an unboxing slash haul. And this is one of the pieces that I did splurge on. It's this cute little romper. Always been a big fan of rompers. It's just been difficult to find ones that fit my body type. This is kind of what it looks like if you can envision it. Check out my Instagram and Twitter. I will probably have a photo once I wear this somewhere. Things that I looked for when purchasing this, because I'm sure the adjustable straps, making sure that it would fit my body type just right without having any issues. So that was in this first package. Up next, we still have this really big box. So see what's in it. A lot of this is, again, things that I just kind of restocked on. So one of these actually burst. That's cute. Oh my goodness, the container itself burst. Luckily they put it in a separate bag. So that's interesting. I'm definitely gonna have to like get some kind of rebate. I also got comeback spray. I love Cantu products for my hair. I found that just works out great. I use the comeback spray, the gel as you saw that broke there. Also use the curl cream activator, and then I use some separate stuff for like my shampoo, conditioner stuff. Speaking of that cream, whoa, this was open too. And then for the final items in this video, I got this Maybelline Fit Me 360. I needed to restock. I needed to get some more primer, as you guys saw back in that video when I was doing my get ready with me for my birthday. Obviously I didn't have primer in that video, and that was because I had ran out the day before, so finally got some more primer. These were all the different items that I purchased from Target. Hope you guys enjoyed this really short, sweet Target haul and wanted to really share. Of course, the dress was kind of the thing that I splurged on. That was not necessary, but I think it's super duper cute, and again, cannot wait to wear it. Photos to come over on Instagram, so again, make sure you're following me there. Don't forget, before you click out of this video, to subscribe down below, hit the bell so you can be notified when new videos come out, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.